owner of About Space Organizing, is joining me. We are going to learn how to organize our kitchen. Megan, this is the most important place in the house.
It is. It's kind of where everyone, no matter if you have a den or living room or whatever, this is where everyone congregates.
It's
and
true.
Everyone sort of ends up. And my goal is really countertop zero.
Oh, okay.
At the end of the night. So I want to have a space for everything and be able to put it away.
Yeah.
So the main part of that, the big part that is always the big part, is decluttering.
Yes.
So if you have a lot of spatulas,
I do.
there's 5 here.
Yeah, I have a lot more than that.
Unless you're a baker, which you might be, I don't know.
Not really.
You might not need so many spatulas.
Yeah.
So really just like look at your stuff and think like, what are my favorites? What can I get rid of?
Do I have
how
two of
many
the same thing?
Exactly. How
Yeah.
many do I really need?
Okay, well
And
that's good to think about.
That pretty much goes for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so one of those things that we don't think about is spices.
Oh, man.
So they expire. And a lot of times that like cream of tartar from 1985 is maybe not so good.
Yuck, get that out of there.
Right?
Yes.
So look through them, see if they've expired, and a good rule of thumb is if they don't smell like they're supposed to smell, it's probably time to give them the heat.
Even if they're just not as fragrant as they were, right?
And so another thing
What is
about
this?
spices is this goes in your drawer. And so this, you just pull your drawer out and look at all these beautiful spices.
Oh, that's genius. And it's right there where you can read all of them.
Yes.
Yeah, because my spices are like that, and I
And
have
they-
to like pick them all up and figure
They
it out.
hide behind each other. I'm like, don't be shy, spices.
There you go.
Live in the drawer.
I've never, ever in my life thought to put a spice in a drawer.
Well, it's quite helpful, especially if that drawer's right
Definitely.
next to your oven or where you're cooking
That
your
makes
stovetop.
sense.
So another place you can put them is on the wall.
Oh,
So I just, for
Yeah.
a client, put like 10 of these on a very small little sliver of her
Really?
pantry. I know it's not kitchen, but
Yeah,
still.
that's
Or
really
the
smart.
inside of cabinets.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Now, what about the spices you use all the time? Is it okay to keep some of them out?
Well, it depends on how often you use them. We actually have right above our stove in a cabinet, we have a little Lazy Susan turntable for the ones like salt and pepper and olive
Right.
oil and
That
that
you
kind of
always
stuff, the
grab it.
go-tos. Yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, keep it close at hand, like store it where you use it.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
moving on to the pot
Okay.
and pan situation.
Pots
we all
and
have
pans.
a pot and pan situation.
Okay, so I love this thing because you can really store lids, pans, cutting boards, anything, and because you know I love some vertical storage.
Yes, you do.
So
That's awesome.
I have these all over my kitchen for all sorts of things. So they're really,
Okay.
really handy, and you can also use them on your desk. I use them everywhere.
Yeah.
For binders, stuff like that, if you need it. So if you can't use them in your kitchen, you can find a home for them somewhere.
Yes.
And this sort of does the same thing. So this alleviates the nesting situation that we always do. You know, the clanging and the wrestling.
And you always need the biggest one that's on the bottom.
So we'll put that one on the bottom, and we'll just kind of file them that way.
I love it. Yeah, and it never fails when I've got them all nested up. It's like, oh man, I need the one in the middle.
Of course you do.
Yep.
So Tupperware, well, storage containers.
Right. We all have those.
So we do, and we always have an abundance. So if you're missing the mate, either the lid or the base, it's time to recycle them.
Yeah.
And I really encourage you to invest in glass or Pyrex because after a certain time, plastic breaks down.
Right.
And also, I think they're easier to store. They don't fall over, etc.
That's
and
the truth,
If
yeah.
you have the space, I would keep the lid on them. But if you don't have the space, this is really awesome to stick on the inside of your cabinet door and put all your lids together.
Oh, that makes a lot of
Right?
sense. Yes, I need one of those because like I have no idea if I have the lids and the bottoms to all of them because they're all over in a drawer and I just close it and forget about it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So like take 10 or 15 minutes and put them all together. And if you can't put them all together, like just at least find their mates and store their lids separately.
This is genius to pop this inside a cabinet, and this is just like a little sticky thing?
Yes.
That's cool.
And I love these so much because you can put like wraps like foil and stuff. I have these all
Yeah.
over my kitchen.
Oh, I'd
They're
love to see
great.
inside your kitchen, Megan. We need to do a segment.
We can arrange that.
We need to go inside Megan's kitchen. That's perfect.
Awesome.
Okay, well, as we're wrapping up here, we've got this.
This goes underneath a shelf. So just like a riser, I don't know if you can call it a lower, but it goes
a
underneath
lower.
your shelf. And you can put things in it like plates. I use them for like paper plates and like roadies, if I can say that. You know, stuff like
right,
that, like lighter
yeah.
things. Yeah, and that just kind of doubles your shelf space.
That is so
Boom.
cool. Definitely need one of those. And by the way, as we're wrapping up, how cute are these cookies? Look at these. They're organizing cookies.
Yep. That's my swag.
So cute. And I love it. Megan doesn't give swag away to her clients that is junk that you're going to put in a junk drawer. It's something you can eat. Yes. All right. Well, thanks for being here, Megan. And
Thanks for having me.
if you want more ideas from her, we have a link to, she does 3 Things Thursday. It's really cool. You can just go over to ktv.com, click on the Good Afternoon Arkansas link under the community tab, and we have a link over there to her website.